Hi, I'm Kit Howard Imata, and I'm committed to becoming a Tesla instructor who produces competent, confident, and industry-ready graduates. I believe my skills can transform lives, and I'm prepared to guide trainees toward earning their national certificates and succeeding in the workplace. I completed my degree in technology and livelihood education and gained hands-on experience in ICT, home economics, and other technical subjects. Through my practice teaching and training exposure, I strengthened my skills in competency-based training, step-by-step demonstration, and maintaining a safe and efficient workshop environment. What sets me apart is my ability to simplify complex tasks, deliver clear demonstration, and create an organized learning environment where trainees feel supported and motivated. I am also capable of handling training tools, troubleshooting basic technical issues, and preparing learners for assessment-based evaluation. I am confident that I can contribute to Tesla's mission of providing quality technical education, and I am ready to bring strong work ethic, practical knowledge, and genuine dedication to every training session. Thank you.